All right, we're just getting some fuel, diesel fuel. So this is Shell. I noticed here in the Philippines, they don't allow you to pump your own gas. They actually have workers here. Like if you could see Kuyas here. Kuyas right there. They're pumping the gas for us. So yeah, so they have workers on gas station here in the Philippines. So this is just a regular Shell gas station in Tagaytay. You know, they have this. They have all the restaurants around. And then, yeah, that's something different that I noticed is they don't allow you to pump gas. They have workers that pump gas for you, which is kind of nice. So, this is our ride. It's gonna take us 3 hours to go to Lucena. Lucena is the port that we're gonna the actual they call it Roro, which is the vessel that we're gonna ride all the way to Romblon, and from there it's probably gonna take 8 hours to get there. So yeah, so we're gonna drive there for 3 hours. So so hopefully we'll get there on time. The boat leaves at 4 o'clock. So but they told us that we have to be there by 2 p.m. so that way we don't run out of tickets, and maybe we could just grab late lunch on that in that area too. So all right guys, we got free soda.
Oh, we got the free Coke.
Oh nice, we got a free Coke. Why?
There's a promo.
Oh, they got a promo.
If it reaches so much.
Oh yeah, thank you. Oh okay. Ooh. That's something new. If you reach certain liter, you get free Coke. So yeah, because we had a full tank gas. So nice. That's nice of them to give us a free Coke. We'll take it. Thank you. Right, we're in Lucena. We are now in the Lucena port, and we're buying our ticket. We're gonna take Star Horse to get to Romblon. So right now it's just me and my cousin Kuya Richie, and we're waiting for my other cousin to come over. So, but we're just gonna buy the ticket now. So we just made it. It's around 2:30. I think the boat leaves at 4 o'clock. So now we're just gonna buy a ticket. We're able to buy the ticket. Right now we're just waiting for our boarding time. So we're just waiting on this area here. And look, I want to show you guys something that I'll never thought I'll use in the Philippines, because right now it's really hot. But look at my fan. Oh yeah, I got a personal fan pointing at my face. So hopefully you guys could still hear me. But yeah, it's really hot right now in the port. So right now we're in the Lucena port. It's gonna be around 8 hours to get there. We're just waiting for us to get boarded to the ship, to the ferry. So stay tuned, guys. And yeah, so we're here. Hi, say hi to my nephew. Hey, say hi. Hi. Yeah, so it's a plus. I didn't even know he's gonna go with us. So it's a bonus, right? All right. It's really good. I'm eating fried chicken from McDonald's, not Jollibee, but from McDonald's, and it's really good. Tastes like Jollibee. And look, I have a new buddy. What's up, buddy? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hi, what you doing? I think he could smell my chicken. Alright guys, we're heading to Bantoon, Romblon. Oh man, it's so hot in here. You can see my backpack in the back. It's very crowded. Really crowded right now. I'm trying to squeeze in with my big body. All right. We got some packages with us, but we're just waiting where it is. Oh, there it is. It's over there. All right. All right, that's our. This is our ship over here. As you can see, it has an opening in the front.
Diyan, akit na kayo. Hanap lang kayo ng upuan.
All right, so this is our package. That's our mission. I feel sorry for Kuya Francis because he lifted for us and loaded up. It's very heavy. I wish I could tell you what's in here, but I'd rather not. But that's us. That's one of our.
Brother, nasaan?
That package has to get there. It's very crowded, guys. Very crowded. Alright, let's do this. Alright, man, this thing is huge.
Kasama mo to. Tumesa sir. Dun sa kasama ko. Pupunod yan.
Oh,
Kasama mo.
okay.
Dito.
Hey, man. Alright, we made it in the ship, but it's kind of crowded. Literally, there's no more seats. I think this one is a premium economy. I'm not sure what this is, but yeah, this is the AC. Yeah, I think it's just overcrowded because when we got here, we can't even buy tickets for the, I guess, for the premium seats in the inside there. So right now, I guess we're just gonna hang out here till some seat freed up. So all right, guys, I found my cousin got me a chair. Oh yeah, but it's like this, just a plastic chair. There you go. My biggest fear is I'm too heavy. I might break the chair for 8 hours, so hopefully pray for me that I won't break the chair because it's very it feels fragile. So because the chair is like this, so finger crossed it would last me for 8 hours. So right now this is actually my first class seats right here. Why am I smiling even though it's crowded, even though there's no seats or anything? It just makes me feel home right now because of the water. Look at that. So I'm really curious what's the kind of conditions be like out there. Hopefully it's a good condition because I'm just right here, so hopefully it'll get better. But it's breezy now and it's cooler now because I'm really sweating right now. I got my personal fan with me here. I got a fan, finally I have a fan, #1 fan. So my two kids are watching me right now, and this is how I'm going to Romblon Island, so stay tuned, guys. Alright, we're moving finally. Look at this, guys. So that's the dock that we came from over there, if you guys can see it. So we're finally moving. Oh wait, this is the captain right here. Captain. All right, this is it. We're heading to Romblon.
Doon pa naman. Sa public.
Alright, so we got a chance to see the captain and the starboard side. Wow, it's a nice view over here, guys. Finally, we're moving. Feel the breeze. Look, looks like that's a rescue. Oh, with my Kuya Francis here. He's back on the ship. Sorry, Chief Francis.
Oh, 8 months, no?
8 months. I didn't see him 8 months now. I've been seeing him since 8 months. He actually docked in San Francisco. So I got to meet him in San Francisco. Thank you for the jacket. Eric, this is Kuya Francis. He hooked us up with a jacket. Yeah. Very cool. All right, we're going around the Roro. Wow, this is better here. All right, so we're going around. Hello, sir. Hello. All right, we're gonna move chair. We're gonna move seats. All right, guys. San Miguel beer. Just waiting for our arrival. It's like 4 more hours to get to Romblon.
Kasi dami namin nakain. Tingin ko rin. Kami doon. Apple pie, ganyan kalaki, oh. Naubos tigwisa kami.
Alright guys, it's past 8:30. We're still on the way. We're passing Maranduque right now. Here, on the way to Romblon Island. But right now, it's dinner time. My Ate Prisha prepared us some food, and also we got some ramen. We got some ramen soup. Kurt, show me what you're having. Seafood? Seafood ramen. He's having a seafood noodle soup. There you go. We got some balut, some rice. We got some rice. We got some Adidas. That's some Adidas. So I got my paper plate. Thank you for preparing us some food, Ate Prisha. All right, time to eat. All right, here's my dinner. Courtesy of my cousin. It's a adobo. They call it adobo Adidas, which is the chicken feet and some eggs, boiled eggs. Can you guys see the chicken feet? See, they call it Adidas because, you know, the shoes, Adidas shoes, and this is a chicken feet, so that's why they call it Adidas. Oh yeah. So it's like adobo, soy sauce base, with some, I think it has some sugar, some tomatoes, and yeah, I think that's it. Check it out. Got some boiled egg with the Adidas. Got the chicken feet. Wow, it's so tender. Just like a chicken adobo with sugar. Okay. Chicken feet. More chicken feet. It has that gelatinous feeling. They speed up the bone too, so but it's really good. And soft.
Baka matuloy yun sa palit. Hindi na siya pwede nung kapag may mga nakaano ng mga bus, yung mga papunta Cubao, papunta Alabang. Hindi na rin pinagpupunta kasi nanginginig.
Alright, I'm done. Thank you for a quick meal. Shout out to my Ate Prisha for preparing this for us in the boat heading to Romblon. Thank you for a good dinner. Alright, we had arrived. We are now in Romblon. Hope you guys could see that. But yeah, you guys, we are now in Romblon.
Alam na, naalala namin sa ganun.
As you can see. All right, we're going down.
Baba niya nga na Oh, oh, di mali. Anay. Ran.
All right, we're just emptying the box that meant to go to Banton Romblon, which is we have like 3 boxes, one balikbayan box and 2 small ones, which is one is one of the big boxes, the balikbayan box that that we're gonna deliver. Bitin mo.
Hello.
Hello po.
Welcome sa
Hello. Hello po. Kumusta po?
Ito mabuti.
Kumusta pa?
Ay mabuti.
Hello po.
Ay
Si Richie.
Kilayo kami.
Alright.
Hello po.
Hello po. Hello.
Anak ng Kande. God bless you. God bless.
Hello po. Hello po. Kumusta po kayo?
Pagkabalilog at mga pamangkin ako. Ay,
Ganda na doon, no?
ano pa? Ay, lalo gumaganda yan.
Alright. We're just this is our 3 boxes here that we need to deliver the destination, and that's our boat. Sa boat.
Di ba ba biyahe kayo sa Magdadala sa
Siguro ka
Masikip yata dun sa ano eh.
Puta kayo ito kata. Ay nako ba? 20,000.
Sandro ka lang? Sandro? Opo. Wala nga.
Wala na po.
Pag hindi kasi sanay sa motorsiklo, ano,
Wow,
baka,
ano pong ulam natin? Mukhang masarap po ah.
hindi, ano lang eh.
Wow.
Ay,
Have adobo. I smelled it right away po. Pasensya na po. Pagpasok po ko dito, naamoy ko kaagad. Eh. Kaya kailangan pong puntahan mo na yung ano, sayang. Ayan, eh. Wow, we got adobo, guys. I smelled it right away. Alright, guys, we're having a late dinner.
Tuge, ganun.
oo, yun yun.
Ayan, eh.
Kaunay.
Oh, nay.
Malay makaunay. Ayan ang sinasabi ni...
Kain na. Adobo.
Isa pa. Yung amoy natin kanina.
Mamay.
Amoy lang yan.
May makuha.
Kasi judge po nasan po.
Umalis na.
Nasaan?
Kaya lang itong kuan, eh ano. Ay, okay na po.
Ayan.
Opo, nasaan si?
Kaya yun.
Tumilib na.
Kumain naman po yan sa barko.
Alright, we're gonna go eat.
Kain na.
What's for dinner?
Yan.
Adobo. Pork adobo. Ayan, no? There we got brown rice yan, no? Ate?
Mainit yan, no? Dalhin natin dyan.
Alright, we're gonna go eat. Alright, we made it. We're in Banton, Romblon. This is the place we're staying.
Ito po yung ano niya. Kuya.
Ay, salamat po, ate. Salamat po.
Pag ano po, ito po.
Ano pong pangalan niyo, ate?
Marites po.
Marites, mahila po. Ako po si Darren. So we have another room here on the right.
Ito na lang.
We're so thirsty, so it's a plus when we have water, filtered water here, and especially it's cold. So, and this is our second room. Hello, Kuya Dubs. Hi, Kurt.
Pahinga na.
All right, we're gonna take Kurt. All right, stay tuned. Show you guys our room again. There we go. That's our room. All right, guys. Day one, Romblon, Banton. We're heading to
Morning.
Morning, ate.
Morning.
Morning, Kurt.
morning.
Morning, everyone. And look, guys, this is our water station. And then we have some coffee. Wow, look at that. We got white coffee. We got original. Kaping kape, sarap aroma. We got the twin pack kape. We have the stirrer. We got the coffee cup. Nice, so convenient. Kuya Francis.
Good morning.
We're heading to see my auntie. We're gonna surprise her. It's been, I think it's been like 40 years I haven't seen her, and also my Kuya Richie haven't seen her too for 40 years. So last time I was here was 40 years ago. So yeah, I want to show you guys around. Hopefully you'll stay tuned and see my auntie's reaction seeing us. Hopefully she could still remember me. And I want to show you guys our this is our place that we're staying just for one night, and then we're gonna go head out to my auntie's house. But this is our view right now. Probably hard to see, but it's see, we're right next to the water. Oh, there's some chickens too, some wild chickens. So if you're not familiar, I'll put the map where I'm at right now in Romblon. They call it Romblon Islands. That's where my dad came from. So right there is I believe that's the Pacific Ocean, or right in the middle, Pacific Ocean. So anyway, we'll walk around. We're heading out to one of the house that we're gonna pick up our package first, because we have a special delivery package that we've been wanting to deliver here in Banton, Romblon, specifically in Tungunan. So stay tuned, guys. Yeah, so we're gonna come and pick up our package, grab some breakfast, and see where we at.